Good morning, Legion. Happy New Year's Eve. Yesterday we did the Legion holiday stream and took polls on a number of predictions for 2026 with regards to the near ecosystem. Be sure to check out that stream to get an idea of what expectations for the upcoming year are going to be, and for context, they're pretty high right now. 3 quick stories for you all before we celebrate the New Year's. First up, the South China Morning Post posted an interview with the author of the well-known trilogy The Three-Body Problem. Liu Shixin gives an interview on many topics, including the dark forest theory and the role that AI is playing in our world today. Take, for example, some of the snippets below. As Liu says, in early science fiction, AI was supposed to do menial, repetitive labor, freeing humans to pursue poetry and dreams. Now it's the opposite. AI is moving into our most high-level fields, literature, technology, and the law. Meanwhile, we're still the ones sweeping floors and washing dishes. That is something even science fiction did not foresee. But he does go on to say this about his overall perspective on AI later on in the interview. I still hope that AI will surpass humanity. That might sound strange to some, but I believe that if human civilization is ever going to spread across the universe, as English writer H.G. Wells imagined, it will have to depend on artificial intelligence. We might not be able to do it ourselves. Now compare that perspective with our second story, which could not be more different from the first one. Former Google CEO Eric Schmidt talks about the future of AI specifically with regards to context windows and chain of thought reasoning. And if you listen to the full 3-minute clip, you can see very quickly how transformative and powerful AI agents are positioned to become in the future. However, Schmidt ends the interview clip with an ominous warning.
But at some point, these systems will get powerful enough that you'll be able to take the agents and they'll start to work together. At some point, people believe that these agents will develop their own language. And that's the point when we don't understand what we're doing. You know what we should do? Pull the plug.
Well, as you can all see from the image below, this is exactly the job available at OpenAI right now, in line with what Sam Altman has tweeted about hiring a head of preparedness. 2026 is on the horizon. It's about to get weird, or it's about to get incredibly interesting. The two perspectives are quickly becoming one and the same.